What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. You know that you own the best tools in the automotive industry when you rock names like the S-Long, Schlong. Not only that, but you got two flavors, long neck, short neck, you know, whatever. You got the Seesii. You got the 1/4 inch Black & Decker. Both manual and full chooch NiCad right there. But wait, there's more. You got the Ryobi 3/8 inch drive impact, which is just, you know, killing it on the it is a nice gun. I actually really like it. It's got different speeds. And then not only that though, I got the 1/2 incher. It's been working out really well for me. Yeah, they've worked great. No complaints, but I have a new addition to the tools. So it all started off with this Seesii. Actually, Impact Torque Test Tool Review channel or whatever. They tested out the 1/2 inch impact. So I got the 1/4 inch impact driver. Different speeds. And then I got this and was like, you know, the quality control is so good there. I gotta buy more. So actually their little test went pretty well. I mean, it comes with a 21 volt. 4 amp hour with, you know, lights in the back. So it's like, I don't have one of these. I gotta try it out. So I mean, obviously, you know, the quality is just gonna be fantastic. They meant for that to rip off so you could stick it somewhere. So let's see. We got a fridge, and that is about as good quality control that you'll ever see. Well, I already got two 4 amp hour batteries and a charger and a tool, so bingo bango. We got another charger. I hear this thing works with Makita batteries. We got some sockets. Then they got these like locking rings, you know, to go in, and then some and then these will go over the rings to stick them on, because the tool is a right angle, you know, thingamadoo. So here we have it. I've always disliked this battery placement, but it's brushless, supposed to be. Seesii 21 volt right angle impact wrench, no load speed, 3200 rip'ems. And again, the quality control, just amazing on this thing. I think it was this side or the other side, but both sides. Maybe I pushed them down because I did take this out to have a look. I pushed it down. This one doesn't rip off like the other one. That's no fun. I'm sure I could get at it some way. But anyways, I don't have one of these and figured give it a try. Battery in, you got some lights, you got some changers of power. Let's see, I think this is full chooch. That fan goes good. Not a lot of air escapage. We'll break this thing open, see what's inside. Maybe not today, but some other day. Let's see what other power. That's literally it. It just cuts out on this setting. Low. So that's reverse. So I'm cycling through here, put on low, and then you go in reverse, and then it kicks over here. And it's off, or it does this. You hold the trigger and it just cuts out. But it does have a light. What sockets does it come with? So this Butte comes with 15, 17, 19, and 21 mil sockets, chrome vanadium, and it comes with some lock rings or stakes or what. I've never had anything like this, so I think what you do is you pull this stuff out, and then you match that hole up with this hole. That's what she said. You get it in there. See how that's looking. Looks off a lot, but oh, wait. So we put that in through, and then you bring up one of these rubber gaskets there, and that holds that pin in place, I guess. So there you go. Does a good job at that. Let's see how it works. All right, guys, so let's see how this Seesii 1/2 inch right angle impact works. Just gonna do lug nuts on my wife's vehicle. Easy, accessible. This is in auto mode. Let's see if I could even get it in there. There we go. Very loud, yeah. And there it goes, works really well. Let's try another one here. Do this one over here. Very loud, no problems there. And we will retorque those back. But just to give a short example, we'll get into this further along the way. The Tang tool.
Dad, you not loud.
So, no, this isn't loud. This is just a ratchet.
Why?
That's all it is. There we go. Got that one on. There we go.
All done?
All done.